Well, let's talk about how to store worm castings. But right off the bat, the question is, how long do worm castings last once you store them? They're the only way you're going to find out, because I could say 3 months, some people could say 3 years, but the correct way to find the answer to that problem is you're going to have to test your worm castings. And every month, to find out the shelf life, you would have to every month keep testing to see if the bacteria is still alive. If the bacteria is still not active, then you know that they're no good. So I don't know the correct answer. Go get yourself a test. But to store them, what you need to do is get yourself a container, drill holes throughout the lid of your container, because the bacteria, microbes, fungi, and all that other healthy stuff that's inside of those worm castings will need air, and that's how they survive. And also on the top of your worm castings, you want to keep them damp. And that way it helps to keep the bacteria active, is place yourself some wet newspaper on top or something that is moist to keep the bacteria alive. And now when it comes to the worm castings are different. Everyone puts different ingredients, foods, and everything in their worm castings. So my worm castings, whatever's in that would be different from yours. And to find out what's directly in your worm castings as well, your test would tell you what's in it, what's the potassium, the nitrogen, and all that other stuff that's scientifically involved when it comes to worm castings. That's how you'd find out. So if you want to know what 35 pounds of worm castings looks like, if you would fill up one of these kitty litter buckets, which it does not take long to do, that is 35 pounds of worm castings. But here's another video to find out how to dry out your worm castings and how to make that worm tea. I'll see you in the next one.